In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure the record settings are set correctly on your OSI Wi-Fi video doorbell AC wired. Select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Recording Settings. The local recording should be enabled. This means the video captured will be stored on the internal SD card, which is included with the kit. Under this is the recording mode. If you want it to record 24 hours a day, then select Non-Stop. Note that having it set to non-stop means that the SD card will fill up quickly and only last about 3 days until it overwrites itself again. If you want it to last over a month to several months, then set it to Event Recording Only. Once you do this, it will only record video when it detects motion. Now I'm going to press the back button. Next, under Recording Mode is Schedule. Choose this option if you wish to set a specific time interval for recording. It's ideal for focusing surveillance during critical periods such as nighttime or when you're away from home. Scheduled recording respects privacy by activating only when necessary. Or it's a great way to save room on your SD card so it may last months instead of weeks before it starts overwriting. Please note that the type of recording for the schedules you set here, such as event recording or non-stop, will be determined by what you select in the record mode setting as you see here. Okay, let's select the schedule button. Now I will show you how to make two schedules. The first schedule will be telling the OSI Video Doorbell to start recording every day at a specific time, such as when I'm away from work. And then the second schedule telling the video doorbell to stop recording at a specific time, such as when I get back home from work. So select the Add button, then select the time you want to start recording. I will say 5 a.m. Now select Repeat. Under Repeat, you can choose once or repeat specific days. I want it to record every day when I'm away from work, so I will select Monday to Friday. Now I'm going to press the back button. And now let's click on Note. Entering a note here is like giving the schedule a name, so I will just say Leave for Work, and then select Save. Under Notification, you can enable it if you wish to be notified every time the recording schedule has started. Now select Local Recording. Under Local Recording, select On, and select Done, and then Save. As you can see, a schedule has been made showing the time it will start, the name of the schedule, the days it will record, and that recording is set to on. Now we need to set a schedule for what time we want the recording to stop each day. So select Add. Select the time you want it to stop recording. I will say 7 p.m. And then select Repeat. Select the same days that you chose for the first schedule. So I'll select Monday to Friday. Now I'm going to press the back button. Now select Note, and I'm just going to put Back from Work, and then select Save. Again, if you want to be notified every time the schedule has stopped or started, just enable it. And then select Local Recording. For the schedule, we want the recording to turn off. By default, Off is already selected, so let's just select Done. Now press Save. And again, you can see that the schedule has been set to turn off with all the details shown here. You can enable and disable it anytime by toggling the switches here. If you want to delete any of the schedules, just press and hold the schedule, and a prompt appears saying, "Are you sure to delete this schedule?" So press Confirm, and I'll delete the other one as well. This concludes the record settings tutorial for the OSI Wi-Fi Video Doorbell AC wired.